Hello and welcome to the PaxEx update, bringing the top passenger experience headlines for the week ending November 1st, 2019. LiFi could soon replace Wi-Fi for the last mile if French company LiFi has its way. The company installed a demo system on an Air France A321 over the summer and held the finals of an esports gaming tournament on board earlier this week. The system delivered on its promises, and LiFi will now move forward with industrializing the product, announcing Signify and Who Technologies as partners in that effort. The European Aviation Network now has a third carrier online. IAG's Vueling LCC arm officially activated 5 aircraft in a soft launch, joining Iberia and British Airways with the service active on part of their fleet. Eutelsat will launch 10B, a new high-throughput satellite, in 2022. The move will bring more geostationary KU capacity to market, and Gogo announced intentions to purchase bandwidth on board, while other in-flight connectivity customers are also committed, albeit anonymously. In the Ka-band space, Inmarsat's GX5 satellite left the factory and is headed to South America to be fitted on an Ariane space rocket. Launch is expected before the end of 2019 and entry into service in 2020. Airbus scored a 300-frame order from Indigo, India's largest domestic airline, including some of the A321 XLR longer-range models. At the same time, Boeing CEO Dennis Muilenburg spent 2 days in front of Congress, defending the 737 MAX and apologizing a lot, though probably not enough. Finally, in the frequent flyer world, American Airlines now offers premium economy rewards to its Advantage members on partner airlines. Even better, there's an award chart available so travelers know what the reward trip will cost. Keep up with these stories and more all week long on PaxEx.aero. Have a great trip!